Kill him. That was so sexy.
Standing
Are you really?
Eat out.
Take him. Let's take him here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Apparently 80% of you people watching my videos are not subscribed, so I think as a YouTuber, this is where I say hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll all be happy. I don't really know. I'm kind of new to this, but I just want to let you know what was going on in this video because it was basically just straight hunting, laughter, and a good time. There wasn't much talking. So I just want to give you a quick rundown of what was going on in the hunt. We were supposed to have a 5 to 8 mile an hour straight west wind. So we didn't want to face straight into the sun, face east. We didn't want to face straight into the sun. So we faced northeast a little bit. Ended up having zero wind whatsoever. Birds were coming from the southeast, so we didn't want them flying over our back. So ideally with the west wind, they were just going to come straight in front of us, land in the kill hole. But early September honkers, they kind of just want to land where they want anyway if there's not a wind forcing them in one direction. So they kind of circled us a bunch. No wind, straight sunshine, no cloud cover. Just wanted to let you know before we get into this video. It was a good time. Let's get to it.
These ducks up.
Take them.
Oh, that one got destroyed. Oh, I got two.
Yeah. Good shooting. Don't worry, you'll never know if he has them.
You guys watch your lanyards. You might have.
Yeah, let's count all them bands on it right now.
I got them too. I got them counted. Believe me, this guy's constantly touching it.
No, dude.
Deal.
You're first around. What is that? Your frunky?
Yeah. What happened?
The screw is just loose. Peep sight.
Oh, you don't need those.
I don't. Yeah.
That's a Frankie.
Spare part.
I don't need it.
Don't you love it?
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh boy.
Take them. Take them. Take them. Take them. Oh, nice shot! Look at the face!
All three of us, 1, 2, 3 shots.
Yeah. Knuckles.
Oh, we better count our ducks.
That was awesome.
I was aiming and I couldn't see anything. I was like, where do I shoot?
Oh, this one's in pieces.
That was beautiful.
Oh, I found the one that made feathers.
Yeah.
That one was a little close.
It's a trophy.
Trophy pintails.
Count
That
it.
is freaking funny.
God be with the next single that comes in. On the left, buddy's right there.
Take him if you want.
Them ducks are dumb.
Oh, and you crippled it!
Spotlight solo or what?
Kill that goose. Hit him right in the stomach. Low. Take him, guys.
Decoys apart.
That's a big boy.
Kennel.
That one?
Thanks for leaving that.
They look a
I
bad.
was gonna shoot and I like came down the back, waiting for him to keep coming low.
If you say it enough time, y'all are gonna quit looking, and that's
Yeah,
my
that
opportunity.
snake.
He's baiting y'all.
Look at all the ducks that just got up over the lake. Those did pretty, huh?
Yeah, they did, you know.
Yeah.
I like how they like listen to you a
freedom.
little bit.
Put them in my face and I'll shoot anything.
Yeah,
They're too easy.
Anything.
I agree.
You want to take him? Yep.
Shoot him!
Good job on the right, good job on the right.
Yeah. You're looking pretty good too.
Come on, come on.
Here we go, baby.
Here we go.
Down me.
Take him.
Oh man, that was hammered.
I was looking for far ones because I knew that these two were going to be destroyed.
I didn't want to keep waiting.
No,
on
that's
those.
good.
Screw that. Those are too close.
Yeah. Feathered every time.
I love that. The poof factor? The poof factor, yeah. It's like 2 poofs over.
Lane? Oh no, that was before you got out there.
Feathers in the steel.
And some wind would be. Some wind would be. We'd be done with ducks.
Yeah.
Pretty good shit. No, kennel. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
We got a single that's gonna do it, I believe.
Duck?
Yeah.
Here, boys.
One single. No, maybe not.
Oh yeah,
Here we go. Wait.
Come back.
Well, I can shoot that.
You can kill him.
Click, pal.
Oh, look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Hey boys, Caden, the smoke's right behind you.
That was just mean. Click, pal. I didn't think you guys were actually gonna shoot.
Why not?
Here boys.
I was like, that's pretty damn funny. Yeah, geese are kind of fun. These two are gonna get it. Take them.
Somebody hit him to slow him down, and then I smoked him, and then he That's son.
Oh, they're coming. Take him right here. You just need wind and it'd be greasy.
Yeah. 2 kilometers. 3 kilometers.
A little bit of wind. 2-mile-an-hour southwest wind with. Feels like I'm back in James.
Straight out front.
3
Fucking
miles
see
out.
him. I see him.
3 miles out.
Pretty low single. He's gonna start.
Shit.
They're right on the edge of the decoy.
So they like landed in the decoy.
Some bunch just got
shoot 'em.
right, son.
You guys got him on the right?
Ready, boys?
Send it.
Kill him.
Shoot the decoy.
Oh, double!
No way.
One shot.
Nice. Kennel. Kennel. Take him, man. Oh boy. Oh, good healer. Good healer. Heel. Heel. They were about to sit. They were about to sit.
Yeah.
Sorry, bud. I had to go.
I'd bring it back
Yeah,
today.
go ahead, man.
Actually, though.
Say this gun's a piece of shit. Give me a new one.
It's just the screws loose.
There's a group, another line coming up. There's a group of two right out. Yeah, I'm shooting twos, maybe that's why.
I'm shooting
No, I haven't. Let's shoot a single. I'll muck him.
Mock him.
I'll muck him.
Shoot it.
Ay.
Who got it?
I know. I had it right on him.
He was trying to be a greenhouse.
Let me see. I found him.
Trying.
The camps are no good.
Take these out.
He's like, oh yeah, we've shot lots of moose doing it. No way.
Turn it into a slug or what?
Oh, they're coming. They're mean, mugging us. That might help a little bit better.
Shoot these.
Oh.
That was a decoy for sure.
That was cool. So you know.
I haven't shot in a while.
I'd like to do a flooded timber.
That's what I was.
That's cool if it's cool.
Yeah.
If not,
Oh, dude, that's the only thing.
Well, I mean, it's really cool. It's if you've never done it,
I've never. Yeah.
the boat ride is the best fucking part.
really.
Shoot these two.
Yeah, I got that one. Oh, that one got it! No way!
I hit that one way
Was
out
that the
there.
one right in front?
Yeah.
He's going down.
Oh no, the one right in front was right there.
Okay.
There's one way out on the right. That now opening it up.
Might as well keep opening it up, right?
Yeah, I think they like it open. Oh yeah, you're done.
He ain't making
He's dead already.
Take him.
Second shot.
Take him. I was trying to wait,
And then they were going this way, right?
Right?
You had to call it.
Right behind the trees is where they come from.
Dang it. Group just got up on the right. Oh man. How many do we
Hey.
have? I don't know if we have.
We're not there yet.
Let's take him here.
Drop it!
no way.
Those were too good not to shoot.
Yeah. Those are
That was a good call.
those are right there.
Surprised the ones that you aimed at all flew away? Is what you said?
Hey, we're happy with that.
Oh yeah, he might.
He's gonna muck him.
Kill him.
That was so sexy.
Standing
Are
up.
you really?
Eat out.
That was great. Dude, that thing cupped so hard.
Take off! Go down.
We did not clean those birds out.
That was sad shooting. Buddy. Oh, you tired? Puppy. Puppy. Goose? Paws off. Paws off. No, but anyway, I do need to get a closing statement of the hunt today. Closing lines? Any closing lines?
Closing remarks.
Yeah. Close this out. Let the people know.
The local boys from the big city shot well. We shot 70.
Ooh!
Not a bad way to start the year.
Hell yeah.
Cheers.